Hi, I'm Eric from PAC, here to talk to you about our RadioPRO integrated installation kit for 2010 to 2015 Chevy Camaro. This is the RPK5-GM4101. This allows you to replace your factory radio and easily and quickly install an aftermarket navigation radio while retaining your factory Bluetooth, OnStar, steering wheel controls, heads-up display, backup camera, USB input, and many other features, as well as amplified audio system. First, you'll notice we've got an awesome dash kit. We've designed it to look a lot like the factory radio, as much as possible. We want to keep that factory appearance so much that we actually designed our circuit board to accept the factory controls. So you take those off the factory radio, you mount those in our kit, and you mount your aftermarket double-din radio right here in the dash. Custom designed our own little LCD display that shows the outside temperature. We also include all the plastics for mounting your single-din or double-din radio inside the kit. Now behind the kit's where a lot of the magic happens. This is our RadioPRO 5 module. This one does the retention of the steering wheel controls, the OnStar, the USB input, the factory backup camera, and all those other great features like warning chimes and things that you need in your Camaro. We've designed this module and interface to be plug and play, meaning it has a plug and play harness for the factory wiring. And whether your system was amplified or non-amplified, it's just a simple plug into our module. The other end of that harness is for the aftermarket radio. Has all of your wiring outputs for navigation radio, as well as your steering wheel control output. This is what's going to allow you to use your factory Camaro steering wheel controls to control your aftermarket navigation radio. We include everything, all the harnesses you need, all the way down to the antenna adapter. All of this is included in the RPK5-GM4101 for 2010 to 2015 Camaro.